Assalamu alaikum. Hello friends, welcome back my YouTube channel Rimsha Decoration. I hope all my viewers are fine and enjoy the day of life. If you're new my YouTube channel, then don't miss another amazing video like this one. Then don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and please make sure press the bell icon. So guys, please watch this video to end. I am back with another beautiful idea about birthday cake decoration in different styles, different color combination and different sizes. Here are some amazing, delicious and eye-catching cake decorating ideas that suit both homeland and professional parties. How to decorate your cake with a beautiful way. I provide you simple idea for your cake that is most essential, that is most creative. I hope you like these designs. All the designs looking so attractive, so stylish, so amazing, so beautiful. I hope you enjoy my video. If you like any designs and take a screenshot of it. I am sure cake decoration ideas from this video. Cake decorating ideas can evaluate any celebrations. Cake decoration ideas transfer space into bright celebrations. I provide you simple idea for your cake that is most essential, that is most creative. I hope you enjoy my video. The creativity I mentioned on my YouTube video and collecting my beautiful channel. Thank you so much everyone for watching my YouTube video and collecting my beautiful channel in these types of design, in these types of video. These decorations bring the excitement of birthday person's life and make the party unforgettable. These designs are very unique. If you like any designs and take a screenshot of it, and also to try my amazing cake recipe. They are so easy to make and absolutely delicious. Please like, share, comment on my YouTube video and collecting my beautiful channel. And subscribe my YouTube channel. I hope you enjoy my video. All the designs are very unique and trending. If you like more ideas, specific decorating tips, please visit my channel. Then don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. If you new my YouTube channel, if you like any designs and take a screenshot of it, you can use each design for any celebrations. I hope you like these designs. Whether simple or beautiful cake showcase love and celebrations. I am sure cake decoration ideas from this video. If you want to see more make party decoration ideas, cake decoration ideas or any other celebration ideas, then please visit my channel. Then don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you so much everyone. See you tomorrow with a new video. Until take care of yourself and people around you. Allah Hafiz.